All right, last one from section 5.1 that I'm going to do. You could change this to sines and cosines. What I also see is I see secant plus tangent. If I multiply by secant minus tangent, I'll have secant squared minus tangent squared, and then secant squared minus tangent squared is equal to 1, which is very helpful, okay? So again, there are lots of different ways to do these problems. They are not wrong. I'm not gonna look at it, a problem and say, oh, you didn't do that the easiest way, okay? I'm going to multiply by the secant of x minus the tangent of x. So on top, I have 4 times the secant of x minus 4 times the tangent of x, because that 4 would need to be distributed. And then I have the secant of squared of x minus the tangent squared of x. But again, secant squared minus tangent squared is 1. So I have 4 times the secant of x minus 4 times the tangent of x. Now, no promises that we're done, okay? Secant is 1 over cosine. So this is equivalent to 4 over the cosine of x. This is equivalent to 4 times the sine of x over the cosine of x. And this is one where when it comes down to how far do you go, what do, you don't know. If I combine this, I'd have 4 minus 4 sine of x over cosine of x. And if we look at the difference between the two, this one looks a lot cleaner than this one. This is actually the answer in the back of the book. Once again, when you're doing 5.1, if you're not sure how far to go, it's okay to check for the answer. Where am I going? And that's what we'll do in 5.2. In 5.2, they're going to tell you how far to go. They're going to tell you what to prove. They're going to tell you what you need to do. And it's going to make your life a lot easier.